Good afternoon. We're doing 2020 Donruss football for Jed. Oh, the dunk?
Oh, right there it is. Yeah.
I'll put that in a top loader.
Yeah.
That's a good card. Hey, Kevin, did you tell him the bronze parallel in those?
Yeah, well, there's bronze parallels in those. The foil won't be silver, like right there, draggy blue coming up. See how the bottom circle's on? Oh, yeah.
Those are better, or tend to be better.
Yeah, I can see why you don't like that one. Yeah. Yeah, getting dunked on like that is kind of, yeah, it's kind of rough.
By a guy who's 6 or 8 inches shorter than you?
Yeah. That's pretty rough.
Yeah, people love that card.
Like, you gotta be honest, you're probably selling eBay for $4 or $5. Really? Yeah. Wow. Stuff's just, it's some good stuff. So there you are, sir. I appreciate that.
All right, good luck, Jed. Here we go. Oh, Hall of Fame memorabilia. Gridiron Canton Kings, I'm sorry. 94 of 299. Warren Moon. Jake Fromm rated rookie canvas. That's nice. That's a Minshew highlights, I'm sorry. Emmett Red, press proof.
Next time you come in, tell me what you think of the stuff.
26 of 27. Ashton Davis. I think that's his jersey number. Nice. Rookie jersey number. Bruce. Darrington Evans, rookie. So how do you guys think the optic's gonna look? Should be a pretty nice design. Cole McDonald, rookie.
We're already pre-ordering optic.
Yeah. Optic's probably next February, so we're a ways away on the optic. Brady, Legends of the Fall. That's a nice. I like that insert set. Kirk Cousin out of 75. J.K. Dobbins. All right, we got a good mem. Now we need the big rookie auto, right? Jordan Love, Elite Series for the Pack. Hall of Fame, Donnie Shell, Steelers. Stafford. That is Joe Mixon. Elite. Rookie Gridiron King CD Lamb. Lamar Jackson Dominator. James Morgan. Lamar. Hey, there you go. Tua Canvas rated rookie. Congrats there, Jed. I think that's the first canvas Tua we've seen. Mahomes Dominator. And it is a Bryan Edwards for the Raiders, number 1 of 299 autograph. Where was he drafted? Wasn't he a high draft pick? Marlon Mack. Road to the Super Bowl, Dalvin Cook. Claypool, Hurts. Two of 10 black press proof. There you go, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Is the black press proof. Kelsey Dominator and CD Lamb rated rookie. Thanks, Jed. I think that was a pretty good box.